Hot dang, we got our goalie. We're gonna unbox it, see what this thing looks like inside. Pretty nifty case. Welcome to less stress. Find the support you deserve. We've got some instructions underneath. All right, let's give it a look. Open this. We've got a welcome card. So it instructs me to install the MyGoalie app on my iPhone, which I'll do shortly. And then it gives me some instructions on what to do. It says you gotta charge it, so I'm guessing the battery doesn't come fully charged. Let's see what this is. Got more instructions. Now, these instructions look like they're a little bit more generic. Not sure what these are yet, or if they're important. All right, so the goalie came in a plastic case. I got the red one. I know they come in multiple colors. And let's see here. So I've got a button up top. This is a really soft, cool feeling textile material. This is smooth. I like that a lot. I like the way it feels for my hand. I like that this seems like it's easy to clean. Feels like it's super rugged. There's a little loop here for a lanyard, so kids can wear it around their neck. And then I'm guessing there's a speaker back here, so there's an opening there. And then it's got this pop socket. So yeah, I think you can like set it down on surfaces like that, or put it in your pocket, into a backpack. Hold on to it like this. Cool, I like this pop socket feature a lot. Let's see what else is in here. We've got some cool looking packing materials. I don't think there's anything there. And then we've got what I'm guessing is a charger. Let's take a look. All right, so we've got a micro USB charger. This is the same charger you'll find on a lot of Android phones. So you probably have a bunch of these already hanging around your house, and all of them will work. And then a neat little plug. So that's it on the unboxing. Let's just make sure we understand the instructions. So I'm going to charge the goalie, make sure that it's plugged in, turn it on, hit the setup button, connect to my home Wi-Fi, and then connect goalie to your account by following the on-screen instructions. So it looks like the parent app will tell me what to input into the kid app so that they're synced together. Cool.